Say goodbye to failed prints on tall, thin models. Here are 3 practical tricks that even beginners can easily master. 1. The Brim trick. Go to the Others tab, scroll down to Brim, and set it to Auto to generate one automatically. Alternatively, you can use the tool at the top of your slicer to manually add brim ears. 2. Manual side supports. Go to the Support tab, enable supports, and select the tree style. Then, click the Support Painting tool at the top of the software and paint the middle section of your model. This will generate supports along the sides of the model, providing extra stability as the print gets taller. 3. The Raft trick. Find the Raft setting under your support options and add a few layers. A raft provides powerful bed adhesion at the base, guaranteeing your model won't topple over mid-print. Just keep in mind that it bonds very tightly to the bottom of the model and might leave noticeable marks when removed. And that's it for these 3 practical tips. If you'd like to see more 3D printing tricks, drop a comment down below. See you in the next one.